In this episode of No Zone, we delve into the significant differences between viruses and bacteria, two commonly misunderstood entities often confused with one another. We'll demystify these differences in a straightforward manner, helping our audience distinguish between the two and understand why it matters for their health. What's the story with bacteria? First, let's talk about bacteria. Bacteria are fascinating living organisms composed of a single cell. They have the remarkable ability to live and reproduce independently, making them some of the most ubiquitous organisms on the planet. You can find them almost everywhere, be it in soil, water, or even within your own body. They're not all bad. In fact, certain bacteria are essential for our well-being, like those aiding digestion in our gut. However, not all bacteria are our friends. Some can cause infections such as strep throat or trigger food poisoning. Meet the viruses. On the other hand, viruses present a different story. Unlike bacteria, viruses don't qualify as truly living organisms, since they can't sustain life or reproduce without commandeering a host cell. They infiltrate living cells and hijack their machinery to propagate themselves. Viruses are notorious for diseases such as the flu, COVID-19, and HIV, showcasing their ability to spread and cause significant health challenges. Dispelling myths. A critical myth to address is the belief that antibiotics are effective against viruses. This couldn't be further from the truth. Antibiotics are specifically designed to combat bacterial infections and are powerless against viral infections like the common cold or flu. Misusing antibiotics in such cases is not just ineffective, but can contribute to harmful side effects and the broader issue of antibiotic resistance. Conclusion: understanding the distinction between viruses and bacteria is pivotal. It equips individuals with the knowledge to protect their health effectively, choosing appropriate treatments and approaches for different infections. Armed with this knowledge, you can navigate health decisions with greater confidence.